Peace. No. Can't be. Peter, you killed my father.
I need your help. Can't take them both. Not by myself.
You don't deserve my help.
Разбитая душа, и все твои обещания